Hi, let's make Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich, a fried peanut butter and banana sandwich. We'll need white bread, peanut butter, a banana, and lots of butter. And for this version, we'll need bacon. We'll use medium heat on the burner to start frying the bacon. At the same time, we'll toast the bread. Prep the banana and try not to lose too much of it. As the bacon sizzles, you can think about how Elvis never fully recovered from his mother's passing. He was deeply attached to her all through his youth. As he grew up in poverty, he always loved low-cost, comfort foods that reminded him of meals with his mother. And think of his serious and untreated intestinal condition, which was exacerbated by his diet. He died alone on the floor of his washroom at the age of only 42, the same age as his mother. Toast is ready. Careful, it's hot. Spread the peanut butter generously onto the toast. Add the bananas and the bacon. Then we add the butter to both sides of the sandwich. When the frying is complete, we cut it down the middle and serve. Not the Earl of Sandwiches, it's not the King of Sandwiches, but it is truly fit for an Elvis.